The majority of the clients that I talk to around their superannuation still have multiple superannuation funds. This surprises me quite a bit because it's not uncommon for these funds to charge multiple fees, and for the clients that I talk to not to actually understand what they're paying for their funds. As an integral part of superannuation and retirement planning, it's always a good idea to consolidate any funds that anyone has into a single, low-cost fund that can provide for their retirement. And a big feature of having one fund is knowing that you have one fee and a clear and concise fee that you can predict at any time in the future. In addition, a lot of people don't tend to know exactly how many fees or what fees they're paying, which can lead to a lot less transparency and can reduce a lot of confidence that people tend to have in their superannuation. Another key feature of retirement planning and superannuation is flexibility within a fund. A lot of people don't know that you can maintain a lot of the funds that you have throughout multiple employers, and you can hold the one fund until you retire. Yet a lot of people still tend to pick up multiple funds or even change funds when they change your employment. The question that I ask people is that you wouldn't change your bank accounts or your share portfolios when you change an employer. Yet a lot of people are happy to, or unwillingly changing their superannuation funds, which again, depending on the way that they're invested or the way that their funds are managed, can have a massive impact on the way that they retire and the amount of money that they have to retire on. Investment choice is another big factor in the way that people perceive superannuation. A lot of people, again, don't know exactly where they're invested or where their money actually lies within a fund. And again, the lack of transparency with investments reduces people's confidence and how they view their superannuation. A major benefit of knowing and maintaining a flexible and single superannuation fund is that you can track and you know exactly where your money is invested across different asset classes. Another little known fact that people don't tend to know is that they can fund their insurance premiums from superannuation. A lot of people have a small amount of insurance within their super, however, they don't tend to know that they may have access to retail insurance options or the ability to increase the insurance that they have within super. This can have big benefits on people's cash flow, and also by maintaining a flexible super fund, they can tailor the insurance to their needs.